Hi students, this is Miss Mays. I want to show you how you're going to log in to teachers' office hours when we come back from spring break. When we return from spring break, all teachers will have different office hours than what they had before spring break. Every teacher should be available to you Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, depending on the number of classes they teach. So you will be getting a schedule in your weekly newsletter that looks like this, that will have the name of the teacher. So let's look at Miss Odu for Monday. Her office hours will be from 10 to 11:10 on Monday, but then on Tuesday, her office hours will switch and they will be from 11:10 to 12:20. Let's look at Miss Lyons' schedule. Miss Lyons will be available from 10 to 11:10 on Mondays for British literature, but then on Tuesdays, she will be available for her elective students from 10 to 11:10 for Intro to Business. So what you will do is you'll find your teacher's name under the day and then find the class that they will be available for. Now, what teachers will be doing is they will be sending you their office hours via Google Calendars. So they will send you a calendar invitation with a link to their office hours. Your calendar invitation is going to look like this. So let's take a look at my Thursday calendar. Miss Gaines' office hours on Thursdays will be from 10 to 11:10. And Mr. Whitaker's office hours, because he is a Spanish teacher, will be from 11:10 to 12:20 on Thursdays, and this will be every Thursday. In order to log into their office hours, this is a very simple way to do it. All you have to do is go to your Google Calendar, your TMA Google Calendar, click the name of the office hour that you want to attend, and click Join, Hangout, Meet. And here is where you will find your teacher who will be waiting for you to start office hours. You can turn on your microphone, turn on your camera, and then click Join Now to join their meeting. So it's just that simple. All you have to do is look at your Google Calendar, see when teachers are holding their office hours because they will have sent you an invitation, click on their office hour invitation, join, Hangouts, Meet. Make sure your microphone and your camera are both turned on and press join now. So when we return, make sure that you check your TMA emails every week for your newsletter, and then also go to your Google Calendar for TMA and check to make sure you have all of your teachers' office hours on your Google Calendar. If you need help with any of that, you can contact any of your teachers. You can also contact me via email. My email is M as in Mary, M as in Mary, AYS as in Sam, at tmapchs.org.